Apple is said to be planning to use its own chipsets in MacBooks, replacing Intel chipsets from 2020, according to the latest report from Bloomberg. The initiative is named Kalamata, and is still in early developmental stages, but comes as a part of Apple's strategy to make all of Apple's devices, including MacBooks, iPhones, and iPads, work seamlessly together. This move is definitely a big blow to Intel, who has been the largest supplier of chipsets for Apple MacBooks and helped in reviving its success. According to the report, Apple provides 5% of its annual revenue to Intel. Intel shares have fallen drastically once the news about Apple ditching Intel for its chipsets came out. However, there is still a possibility that Apple might abandon or delay the switch. As for Apple, it is surely a defining moment, as Intel remains the major supplier of components by others inside of Apple's product portfolio. Apple's products, including iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Apple TVs, use main processors designed by Apple and based on technology from ARM Holdings plc. Relying solely on its own chipsets mean that Apple can release a new Mac model whenever it sees fit rather than depending on Intel's processor roadmap. The change also allows Apple to more quickly bring new features to all of its products and stand out from the competition. It would also make Apple the only major PC maker to use its own processors. This brings another advantage to tightly integrate new hardware and software, potentially resulting in systems with better battery life. The transition is planned to begin in 2020, while the changes to software side will begin even before that.